Hi friends, are you ready for a deep car clean with me? I'm going to clean both the inside and outside of the car, and this video is in partnership with Armor All. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean the inside of the car because, ooh, it's been a while. I grabbed my big old trash can, opened up my car, and I am ready. Like, I had stuff all over the floor. I had receipts, I had pamphlets, I had snacks, I had goldfish. We even have a little trash can in there, and I also emptied that out. The boys had like random toys that they were looking for a while ago. On the side, I had really gross used wipes. And oh my gosh, the cool thing I found, candy. Like candy that I love so much. I found some of that and some lip glosses. Oh my gosh, and my favorite scented lotion and my favorite gum I didn't think we had anymore. And snacks. I mean, I just found a jackpot of stuff in my car. So that I was keeping, but the toys, the other stuff, the trash, I had to get rid of, you know. And so that's what I did. I just continued to clean and get rid of all the trash and all the little like gum wrappers that we had in our car, like random crackers that we found. Now I'm using the Armor All Ultra Shine Protected, and I'm spraying the inside of the car, and it's going to make it look so beautifully clean and shiny. And then I'm going to continue to use my Armor All towel to wipe down the car and clean it really well. And then, of course, I'm going to wipe the inside right there in between the car as well. And I'm wiping the seats as well. The wheel, I mean, I'm just wiping everything down. And then on just inside, I went ahead and found a pair of sunglasses that were mine. Hey, love to see it. I was looking for these sunglasses. I was so happy to find it. And then I went ahead and I wiped just inside of the car with the same spray. And now I'm wiping down the boys' side and just wiping down every part of the car. This is a deep clean. You gotta wipe every single surface. And then I went ahead and I put the stuff that I wanted to keep inside the car. You know, like my snacks. But I definitely don't need a chip clip. I don't know how a chip clip got in my car. Actually, I do know. I was eating chips. We had a road trip the other day or the other week, and so, you know, I had some chips with me. And then I kept the mask there, and then we have a frunk. And in the frunk, I needed to just empty it out because I needed to vacuum it. And, you know, you get a little crumbs, some lint, some dust in there. And so, yeah, I just had to vacuum it real quick. So yeah, that vacuum is nice and handy. It just gets all the lint and the dust out. So now it's time to put everything back. I like to just keep the picnic blankie and umbrella in case of a rainy day. And I don't know what tool that is, but it's a tool that we had that Justin keeps in the frunk. So I just went ahead and left it in the frunk. And I'm just vacuuming the inside of our car now. Ooh, especially by the boys' seat. Their car seat gets crumbs. It gets cracker crumbs. It just gets a lot of dirt. You know, I let the boys have fun. They enjoy their time at the park. They go running, but then, you know, we get grass and mud and dirt and all the things. But it's okay. Mama likes to clean. So I'm just vacuuming all the parts of the car. So now I'm using the Armor All Ultra Shine Wash and Wax, and we are gonna wash our car. The boys are gonna help me. Such a fun activity with the babies. Actually, they're not babies, but I still call them my babies. Jakey just turned 4 and Liam just turned 7. We put water in a bucket and we are ready to go. So I'm just gonna rinse off the car first with our hose. I'm gonna rinse all parts of the car. The boys were like, Mommy, let me do it. And I'm like, of course you can do it. Let me have a turn first. So there you go. Liam's having his fun. And then it's going to be Jakey's turn. And ooh, our tires are pretty dirty, you guys. Babies are having such a blast. This is so fun. Okay, so now we are ready to wash the car. We're gonna go ahead and just get it all sudsy and nice and clean. And the weather was so beautiful that day when we were washing the car. Such a nice, fun summer activity with the boys. And you know, you gotta get them to like do these fun activities with the family early, and then they'll be like, hey Mom, I got you, I'll wash the car for you when they're older. But you know me, I like to clean too. I mean, you get a little cardio in there while you're cleaning, right? Oh my gosh, my babies just make my heart melt. They're so cute. With their little hats, you know, sun protection. All right, you guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe the wheel. So now I'm using the Armor All Extreme Shield Ceramic Wheel Cleaner, which has dirt repelling technology and extends the time needed between cleanings. So you shake it well, and you use it on a dry or cool surface and evenly spray and let it sit for a few minutes. And then after that, you use a sponge or a brush to loosen any soil on the wheel, and that is so satisfying to do. And look how great that looks. Then thoroughly rinse with water. As a final step, you can spray one more time, let it sit for about 1 more minute to set the ceramic hydrophobic technology, and rinse with water again. Armor All also has Extreme Shield ceramic tire coating, which keeps your tires clean longer. Just shake well, apply on a cool, clean tire, and spray clockwise, then let it dry at least 30 minutes. It creates a non-greasy protective barrier with long-lasting benefits and a satin finish. Oh my God, look how beautiful! My tire, my wheel is just perfection. So now it's time to dry the car with the babies. The car is looking so beautifully clean, and it's so satisfying to do it yourself. And thanks again to Armor All for partnering with me on this video, and click the link in the description box to find out for more information.